Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How's everyone? Students, today we will do an essay on the topic A Scene at a Railway Station. In this essay, we will describe that what can be the scene over there at a railway station, because whenever we go out, we sometimes we go by train. So we are going to describe or we are going to talk about the scene at a railway station. A railway station is a crowded and noisy place in a big city. The rail tracks यानी कि रेल की जो पटरियाँ हैं कनेक्ट डिफरेंट टाउन्स एंड सिटीज़ कनेक्ट करती हैं डिफरेंट टाउन्स एंड सिटीज़ को. द रेन इज़ ड्रॉन बाय द हेवी एंड पावरफुल इंजन and it stops briefly for the passengers at railway stations. It is overcrowded with people. The fare of rail journey is a bit economical and people are used to use train journey. Okay. The platform is full of passengers. There is great hustle and bustle all around. यानी कि बहुत अफरा तफरी बहुत रश होता है यहाँ पर. There is an immense fever and fret for some passengers because the prospect of long and arduous journey hangs heavy on their nerves. Some people are sitting on benches while others are walking here and there. The children are the most excited creatures. They look at the colorful vendors. Vendors are the colorful advertisements. यानी जो वहाँ पे कलरफुल रंगारंग इश्तेहारात और डिफरेंट चीज़ें उनकी जर्नी में आती हैं तो चिल्ड्रन feel very excited and they really love to see all these. There are many stalls of fruit, tea, books and magazines. The vendors do roaring. The vendors यानी कि जो जगह जगह चीज़ें उठाकर सेल करते हैं they are called vendors. They do roaring business. Hawkers rush from one door of the compartment to the other to sell newspapers, journals, knickknacks, etc. When the train arrives at the station, people rush to their compartments, bumping into one another. Some pick their way politely, even person tries to get into the bogie first. The train stops and for a few minutes. Then what happened? The guard blows the whistle. यानी कि जो गार्ड होता है वो सीटी बजाता है एंड ऑलवेज वेव्स अ ग्रीन फ्लैग. और गार्ड जो होता है उसके हाथ में ग्रीन फ्लैग भी होता है. ठीक है, वो वेव करता है तो विसल बजाता है. इट मीन्स कि अब ट्रेन को मूव करने का टाइम स्टार्ट हो गया है. द ट्रेन desolate look. And what happened? The train starts moving slowly. After this, the scene at the railway station where's are deserted and desolate look. यानी कि जब ट्रेन गुजर जाती है तो there is totally a silence over there. Pair of words. Pair of word number 51. Principal, Cerebra. Principal. Principal. It's a noun. Its Urdu meaning is Cerebra. The principal of our college is very kind. Principal. Principal. Students, it is used here as a noun and in Urdu meaning is Asool. Qaid-e-Azam was a man of great principles. Peace. P-I-E-C-E. Peace, it's a noun and Urdu meaning is short piece यानी कि टुकड़ा. Give me a piece of chalk. Peace, P-E-A-C-E. Peace, it's a noun. In Urdu meaning is aman. Let me do my work in peace. 53. P-R-E-Y. Prey. It's a noun यानी शिकार. The hunter ran after his prey. P-R-A-Y. Pray. Dua karna. It's a verb. I shall pray to Allah for your success. Number 54. People. Noun. Low. People of Pakistan love their country. Peoples. It's a noun, यानी कि more than one people, यानी अक़वाम, you can call it. Representatives of different peoples were present. Number 55, P-O-R-E, pore. It's a noun. There are many pores in our body, यानी मसाम. P-O-U-R, pore. Verb, यानी कि किसी चीज़ में उंडेल देना, डाल देना. P-O-U-R, pore. Okay. Pour some tea into this cup.